Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G, and this is Just Plain Tech. It is the 1 year anniversary of this channel. I know it is hard. It's even hard for me to believe that I started this channel a year ago already. It's just so crazy to think about. As of today, literally a whole year of Just Plain Tech. How far we've come, and I do have a little bit of announcements. I'm gonna save those for the end. There's some pretty big announcements, so I'll save them for the end. A year ago today, I uploaded my first video. I recorded it on my Kindle, which is actually right here. I recorded it on this thing. It has a terrible camera. It's an okay tablet, but it has a terrible camera, and the video was completely raw and unedited, and it was awful. Whatever you do, please don't go back and watch it. But yeah, so I did post my first video, and I have come a long way in editing and everything. I've gotten a lot better at that, and the channel has come so much further since then. Really the first step I did when I started editing is I created an intro, and I started using that intro in videos. This is the old intro, and recently, within like the last 10 videos or something, I started using a new intro that I just created. But I created the old intro about a year ago, and yeah, and then not too long after that, maybe 1 or 2 videos after I started using the intro, I started editing thumbnails. I'm still getting the hang of that. Editing thumbnails is, I try and put words in them, but as you can tell from all my thumbnails, I am not a great photographer at all. They're thumbnails, but they're not awesome. I'm not good at photography, and I don't even know which faces to make. I am not good at making faces in front of the camera, so yeah. And you'd think I'd be good at it if I've been doing this for a year. Nope. I just remember this one video that was completely accidental, fixing an original Xbox. In that video, I had no idea what I was doing. I just found this switch and I decided to pull it, and all of a sudden this reprogrammed Xbox that I thought was broken actually worked. It had been reprogrammed long before that, and it worked a long time. Then it just got the red ring of death, and you just switch that little, it's like a mini light switch on a circuit board, and somehow it worked. I don't even know. My most popular video, which is hard to believe because most of what I do is related to computers and Linux. Well, I do like some console videos, like for example modding the 3DS and homebrewing the Wii and stuff. But my most popular video, that Xbox 360 update video, I'm like, looking back on it, it's awful. I have no idea why it's getting so many views, but it is. So I don't know. I just got on my Xbox one morning and I noticed the dashboard looks different, and I'm like, I have to make a video about this before anybody else does, and I guess I did, because it's getting so many views. I don't know. Not too long ago, maybe a couple months ago, I actually got this shirt right here that I wear in all my videos instead of wearing some random shirt, which has been nice. And a while ago I did launch merch, but I never really got the hang of that. It was a super sloppy, messed up merch store. Right now I am actually in the process of redoing that, and I guess we're gonna go on to the announcements now. So now I'm setting it up for like the 2,000 subscriber celebration. I don't know if you guys already knew this, but you can go up into the bottom right hand corner on the channel banner, and there's a link to buy merch. And right now it's I lowered the prices to like the lowest I can get them before it doesn't let me, because it's too cheap and it doesn't make they don't make any profit from it. The reason why I'm waiting for 200 subs is because I am officially, and me and Nolan, you guys know Nolan from ASAP Use Meme, he has been contributing to this a little bit, but we are in the process of constructing a JPT website. Yes, and there are reasons for a website. basically the main reason I made the website is to be like kind of an extension to some of my videos. Like, we can all be honest on this, sometimes my videos need to get to the point easier, and like sometimes I need to explain some errors that could happen or some possible things. There are a ton of different ways you can do it, and really I should just get straight to the point and do the video so the videos aren't super long. And the easiest way to do this would be to do the mainstream way to do it, get to the point and just get it done, and then if I need to, make a page for that video on the website explaining more ways to do it, more options, and what to do if you run into certain errors or something like that on the way. And that's the main thing. And another thing about the website is it can have I just put some little Easter eggs in there. For those of you who actually followed the guide on homebrewing the 3DS, I did actually release a JPT home screen theme that you can put on your modded 3DS if you want to. And while the website isn't actually published yet because it's not ready, I did put the link to downloading the JPT 3DS theme in the community tab if you guys want to go over there and check that out. But I can't wait to see what happens next. I've been loving doing this. I can't wait to keep going. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.